Hey, what's up guys? This is Alexander Bosko and today I am going to do a review of the Apple AirPods. And I have been using them for about a week now and I had no issues with it. Except for one problem is no volume buttons. I cannot control the volume on these guys. I used to control the volume with the AirPods I have here. Hold on. Oh, here it is. I can control the volume from the AirPods from here. On these, you don't. So that is my complaint about these. I think this is the only complaint I have about these. And some people have been saying about this case looks like dental floss. And the earbuds here look like toothbrushes goes inside your ear. But I never had a problem with it being like that. And some people have been saying as well. These are losable. But I did not have a problem with that. And these have been falling out of my ears whenever I am using them. And these ones don't have a problem with it. So yeah, and I have been using some accessories for it so it doesn't fall out and I don't lose AirPods. Is these accessories here, like the silicone cord. It goes on the AirPods. Let me take them out so I can show you guys. And here's the accessories on my AirPods, as you guys can see. So don't have to worry about them falling out and losing them of everywhere you go. So yeah guys, and let me take them off now so I can put them away. And let's get back to the AirPods. So they have great sound quality, but they are not perfect though. So yeah guys. And these are very similar to the Apple AirPods I have been using for some time before I switched over to this. Let me grab that for comparison. Here's the right one here. As you guys can see, it's a little different because of the sensor here. And these ones don't have them. It's very different, as you guys can see here. It's very different. And the same thing on the left side, as you guys can see. Let me get that in focus again. It's a little bit different. Oh, sorry. I am so sorry about that. I just dropped an AirPod. As you guys can see, it's very similar without the cord. And I wish the next version to have is some color options like black, gold, and silver, and the plain white. As you guys can see, that's what I wished for the next version of the AirPods. And I wished it had volume buttons so I can control the volume and so I don't have to do it on my phone or the Apple Watch. If I use these on between those two devices. So yeah, guys. And I also love about these is they have fast charging, like in 15 minutes I get 3 hours of listening time. That's good. That's what I like about these. And I don't use a feature where I connect these to any other device. Is not Apple like an Android. I never used this feature though. So yeah, guys. And if you haven't watched my unboxing video of the AirPods, there is a link in the description below so you guys can watch it. If you want to buy these for yourself, there is a link in the description below. Also, as the AirPod accessories here, I got these from my local Best Buy. So I will put this product in the description as well if you want to buy it. And so yeah, guys, I hope you guys did like my review of the Apple AirPods. And please make sure to remember to subscribe for more Adventure Time plush videos and more gaming videos and more tutorials for Apple devices and more unboxings and reviews, and please comment and rate this video, and please also subscribe if you are new to my channel. And so yeah, guys, this will be Alexander Bosko signing off, guys, and peace out.